Okay, we're back. We want to make good progress today so it doesn't go over an hour, right? Or an hour lesson would be fine. By the way, this hour doesn't seem to take as long as when I'm watching it in the afternoon. It seems like time is like stretched out at the end of the day or something. Um, so we're moving on, So I'll hurry up to keep it interesting, just in case the viewers are any of the viewers are experiencing the same thing. Wow, this is taking a long time. Let's look at the key of B flat. Got to take them one key at a time, right? Sure, you can relate them in a circle of fifths, or fourths. That kind of thing, or just go. That was a bunch of inversions. It's easy for me on piano to do inversions, not easy on guitar. But that's why I find it interesting. So the key of B flat here. G and A are the only two dots in B flat. Can anybody guess what the G and the A are in the key of B flat? What interval? What scale interval? B flat is the 1, and then where would the G be? The G, if we go down, that was it. You don't always have to go up. If you go down in B flat, it's B flat, A half diminished, G minor. Okay, G minor Aeolian. Remember, G minor Aeolian is not G minor. In other words, the sixth of B flat is not G minor, the third of E minor of E flat. It's the third of B flat. It's the sixth of B flat. Hear the difference? And additionally, in F, it would be the Dorian minor. So anyway, the G is the sixth of B flat, and the A is the leading tone. Okay, so in the key of B flat. So what shapes are we involved in here? We're not involved in anything with the C sharp. That would be like a blues note or something, but not in this lesson. So we have, let's look at this. Let's look at the root. Here's our B flat right here. Okay, here's our B flat. Okay, key of B flat. Here's our B flat right there. That's the note. The leading tone is the A dot. Okay, and the G is the sixth. So what little scale, our string pattern for 6/7 root is a G. Our string pattern for 7 root 2 is an E. In caged connected patterns, we share the 7 root like they were 1. Okay, so it's 6/7 root and 7 root 2 for G, E. Alright, so that's what we can play from there. So from that B flat, we're not going to play from the B flat quite yet. We start mentally on the dot. Alright, and then we're going to play 7 root 2. So the A dot would be here. If you want a reference point, it would be, and that shape would be the E shape. Now the E shape goes to the C shape, 3, 4, 5. C shape goes to the G shape, 6, 7 root. Okay, so this shape here, the G shape, 6, 7 root. We're looking at a G chord there. Sorry, the guitar's out a little out of tune, but once again, you start on the A dot, and we can use that A dot in B flat as the seventh. So we do an E shape there. It would be E shape. All right, fifth of E is the augmented C shape there, and the C shape's going to be 3, 4, 5 up here. Sorry, that's the mistake I made. Yeah, this is just for reference down here. This isn't on the fretboard. This 6, 7, root 2 isn't on the fretboard. This is for reference, shape reference. So we start here with the E. That's the mistake I made. Sorry. It's 7, root 2, and then E shape goes to the C shape, 3, 4, 5. This 4 right here, this one right here, that's your E flat. It's just the fourth of B flat. So it's C shape 3, 4, 5. C shape fifth goes to G shape, which would be 6, 7 root. Here's our root up here. Okay, so I was playing it like that. I mean, I was trying to play it like that. E shape to C shape to D shape to fifth of C is G shape. 6, 7 root. Fifth of G shape is D shape. Okay, so the D shape up top there on the fourth is actually does start on that C. Now that C is the second, and the D is the second. The D shape is 2, 3, 4, so it's C, D, E flat.